Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your games and delete your progress on your PS5. So you can go up to settings right here, and maybe you want to play a single player game again or something like that. Go down to where it says Save Data and Game App Settings, and then go to the game, whether it's PS4 or PS5, and go to where it says Download or Delete from Cloud Storage. So we want to do this one first because it's going to sync everything up to our console storage. So find the game under here and then delete it. So maybe this one right here. Actually, on the top here, you can see it says download to console storage. We want to go on over to delete. So we don't want to download it, we want to delete it. So let's just choose it under here. Maybe like Apex Legends. That's kind of, I don't know, haven't played that in a while. So delete it from the cloud storage. And then find it on your console and delete it from there too. So we got that deleted, and then go to upload or download from console storage right here. And then we can look at this, and then we can delete it from here. And we might want to turn off the sync feature for the game too. So if you have Apex Legends under here, I don't think I have it on my PlayStation. Well, here it is. And on the top, make sure you go over to delete instead of upload. And then you can delete it from your console storage. And then that should delete all the single player progress off of your PlayStation. Now, sometimes this actually helps reset the game. Like I said, sometimes you can't log into, like I had an issue with Elder Scrolls Online. Once I deleted all the data off my console storage, I was able to actually play. Now you can turn off the syncing feature right here so the games don't sync up. You can do it individually by game. So maybe you want to play a single player game but still have your progress uploaded to the cloud. Well, you could just delete the option here for syncing and just turn it off for that specific game, and then just delete it from the console storage. And then at any point in time, you want to go in and just get your game saved, go to download to console storage right here, go online and download it back to your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.